Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Many people experience popping or cracking in their knees when squatting, and while this can sound concerning, it is actually very common. As long as you don't have pain or swelling associated with your knee popping, you most likely don't have anything to worry about.
Take our lead.
Glucosamine, chondroitin, omega-3, and green tea are just a few of them. Glucosamine helps keep the cartilage in joints healthy and may have an anti-inflammatory effect. Natural glucosamine levels drop as people age.
Let's help you make your mark.
Squats aren't bad for your knees. In fact, when done properly, they are really beneficial for knee health. If you're new to squatting or have previously had an injury, it's always a good idea to have an expert check your technique.
Let's help you make your mark.
One way to avoid creaking joints is to get up and move as much as you can during the day, Dr. Stearns says. We say motion is lotion. The more you move, the more your body lubricates itself, Dr. Stearns says.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.